All right, y'all. I just ordered some bamboo plants from bambooplants.online.com, and it's my second order. I just want to show you how they come. It's pretty neat. It really will impress you if you order like from maybe an individual from Etsy or Marketplace or something. They'll send you a little branch or whatever. But let me open one up. I think you'll be impressed. I just want to do this video because, you know, I'm pretty impressed with it. And if you don't know what you're going to get, maybe this will help you out. So if you're thinking about ordering some bamboo, that is the place to get it. Let me show you. All right, I'm gonna do it in real time. I've opened 2 of them, but let me show you how the boxes come. I ordered, let's see, what did I order? 12 of them. That's gracious. Let's order yellow Buddha belly. Let's open one of these. I'm curious to see what they look like. I've never seen one. So they come in the box, pretty heavy, and then they can do 2 at a time. They're strapped together. So let's just open it up and take a look. A knife tip. And I ordered some dwarf Buddha belly too. So let's take a look at, and also let me show you this. On the top of each one, it has the label for the Department of Agriculture. So they're legal. You don't have to worry about being illegal who's shipping to you. So it's a licensed nursery, and I'm just going to cut the bottom of this and we'll pull it right out. Let's take a look. Let's see, let me back up so you can see me get it out of there. Alright. And that's it. Ain't that awesome? I mean, they gotta chop the tops a little bit to get them in there, but that is just incredible. They leave the pot. The pot's still wet. And look at the root ball. I mean, these are well rooted plants. This ain't something they just dug and threw half a root in there. That's the full plant, fully rooted, and I know these are going to do good. So anyway, if you're looking to get some, let's see if they got any other information on here you might need to know. Nope, Gainesville, Florida. That's it. Bambooplants.online.com. Take a look. See what you think. If you're interested on seeing somebody that's already got planted, shoot me a comment. I've got some back here I planted maybe 2 years ago, and they're really, really nice. Really bushed out nice. So give me a like and thumbs up. See you later.